All right, today we're going to talk to you guys about malaria. My name's Graham.
I'm McKinley.
I'm Adele.
I'm Chicago.
History of the disease. On November 8, 1880, Charles Lavery was the first to notice parasites in the blood of a patient suffering from malaria in Algeria. Symptoms of malaria: chills, fever, sweating, pain in abdomen or muscles, diarrhea or vomiting.
How is it diagnosed? By examining under the microscope of a drop of the patient's blood. How does the person contract the disease? The disease caused by Plasmodium parasites transmitted by a bite of an infected mosquito.
Interesting facts about this disease. Malaria exists in 103 countries worldwide. In the U.S., there are about 1,500 cases of malaria per year. In 2013, every minute a child died from malaria. 90% of the world's malaria deaths occurred in Africa in 2013. How can travelers prevent from getting malaria? People traveling to areas where malaria is common typically take protective drugs before, during, and after the trip. Treatment includes anti-malaria drugs. How can the population in Africa prevent the spread of malaria? Indoor residential spraying is the most effective way to rapidly reduce malaria transmission. Early diagnosis is prompt treatment of malaria and preventing deaths. Sleeping under long-lasting insecticidal nets protects against malaria.
What is the prognosis? Malaria is curable if treated early enough. Severe malaria can lead to complications or even death. Again, early treatment is the most important part of treating malaria. The future of malaria. The Center of Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, plans to optimize the mix of interventions for malaria control, identify opportunities to integrate efforts with other initiatives, establish and integrate new or revisited interventions, evaluate and mitigate potential threats to malaria control, including insecticide and drug resistance. How do you get malaria? From a bite of an infected mosquito. Can a person die from malaria? Yeah. How many cases of malaria are found in the U.S. each year? About 1,500 cases are found every year in the U.S. Name 2 symptoms of this disease. Fever, chills, sweating, pain in abdomen or muscles, and diarrhea are all correct, as well as some others not mentioned. How is malaria diagnosed? Doctors will take a blood sample and then test it to see if someone has malaria. Our sources are listed below.